Today I want to show you guys this scale. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, this has two different area for scale. So this top part, the larger portion, will measure 15 kilo, and this is up to 500 gram. So this is the limitations on this, and that is pretty generous measurement for a kitchen scale. So you have different options for the measuring. So over here you can see you can easily change the unit, so you can see kilogram, pound, and they can go at the same time if you have anything. So if something else is there, you can, let's say you want to measure this cup, let's say that is your container, you can just take off the tear, so we can put on the ml for accurate reading. So you can tear it out. So let's see, this is 500 ml. You just press tear, it will zero it out, and then whatever you are adding, it will just show whatever you are adding, 240 ml. So over here the same thing, you just put this, so 240, you would tear it out and you just place this, and you will see it will just only show 16 milliliters. So that is pretty accurate, as you can see. Let's zero this out as well, so you can see it shows almost identical 504 as the top one. So this is 500 ml water bottle. The liquid inside the water is 500, and with the bottle and the cap and the label, it just adds around 4 grams. So this is pretty accurate scale. Overall works really nice. I hope you guys found this useful.